Hi, this is Lami, and this is another video designed to help you navigate research with your MILS during your MILS studies. And I'd like to show you some sort of advanced features which will actually save you quite a bit of time during your research. And one of them is that if you are on the OneSearch page and you are trying to decide where to start, one way you can do it is go to the research guides. You can open it up and it will offer you an alphabetized list. You can choose library and information science. And there is a great resource here, a LibGuide created for you with some great tips. So you can also find helpful articles and databases here. What do I look for? Most useful databases here is the one that I have been recommending, and there are quite a few additional resources. How do I read a scholarly article is helpful. How I've got the citation, how do I find the article? How do I get the full text? You can use the Find It button. There are many helpful tips here. And what I'd like to do is show you some of the ones that I have found extra helpful. So going back to the Start Here page, these are really truly important for your research. So library access, this author has written that they recommend you create these 3 accounts, and I agree. So let's take a look at them. So one of them will be your RefWorks account, which is where you save all of your articles, which for the first semester I was copying and pasting links and making Word documents, and this is a much easier way to do it. So let's take a look at RefWorks. So you can sign in through San Jose State, and you can just go right here. This is a great way to start. Let's see. What happened here is that I'm already signed in, but I can sign out and show you how to sign in. If you don't have an account, you just go to create an account, use login for my institution, and steps will prompt you to make a RefWorks account. If you have an account, you can sign in and you will automatically be taken to your page where you can see some of the items that you have saved. So that's RefWorks. It's pretty simple. Learn how to use RefWorks in 20 minutes. It should take you less than 20 minutes. It's pretty straightforward. And they do notes. Check your APA. That's always a good idea. So then there's another tab, the Interlibrary Loan account. I haven't used this, but I'm sure it would be very helpful if you're trying to find actual print material that you need for your research. But another search tool that I use that I find incredibly helpful is having the Google Scholar preferences connected to your San Jose State database. And I can walk you through a couple of steps really quickly to get you set up on your Google Scholar account. So let's take a look really quickly here. The first step is to just type in scholar.google. It should bring you to a page that looks just like this. And then go to the menu here and go to Settings. In Settings, you have the choice to limit your collections or expand your collections, see whether your results open in a new window or not, show links to citations, and you can also, here's library links. This is where you can check which college library you'd like to connect to your search. Go ahead and hit save. And here are some more little tidbits. You could delete your account here, but you're going to probably really enjoy it. So Go ahead, please do. If you haven't already, I recommend get a RepWorks account and a Google Scholar account. You can always go to the Library and Information Science Resource Guide on the front page of SJSU One Search to get started. There's like encyclopedias, writing science tutorials, all kinds of helpful information to get you going. And I guess these aren't necessarily advanced study searches, rather, but these are the tools that you will use to do your excellent searches in your MILS program. And thanks for watching, and best of luck to you.